Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Meet the Lucid Aero Stealth, the latest car to go on the route of the blackout appearance package. This new package will debut next week at the car week, and it will add 6,000 to the price of the Air. It is an optional upgrade on the Touring, Grand Touring and GT Performance, and changes 35 different components. Under the hood, the GTP uses a 130 kWh battery pack with a 924-volt architecture. The Air will come in a variety of power output too, to electric motor from 620 horsepower, 819 horsepower, and now this version with 1050 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds, 446 miles of range on the EPA cycle and more. Lucid call it a dark stealth, polish finish and condition on the mirror cap, the window frame, lower body trim, headlight trim, and satin black insert on the wheels. The package is also available in all paint color. Lucid also is in the news recently as another manufacturer affected by the chip and supply chain shortage, expecting to build around 6,000 until 7,000 Air units in 2022 versus the original expected 20,000 units. Okay guys, what do you think about 2023 Lucid Aero Stealth? Please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.